Hi, and welcome to the Heart of the Home. We're here at Doswell, Virginia at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and today we're going to be playing with some beautiful Virginia corn and making a corn pudding that's just to die for. First thing we're going to do, is mix our batter. And I've got 6 eggs. I've got some flour mixed with baking powder, salt, and sugar. And I'm going to mix this together with the 6 eggs and 2 cups of cream. I want to make sure that it's the right consistency. All right, it's beginning to look good. Now I think I can take the rest of the cream. All right. Okay, now this is the batter. And this can sit for a minute or two. And I've got a skillet here. I'm getting hot on the burner. Hear that? When the pan starts singing, it's ready to cook. And we go with some onions. This is a mix of onions and shallots. Shallots is just a smaller, nuttier flavored onion. It adds a little more character. It's kind of hard to detect in the corn pudding, but it's a good flavor. And once this gets rolling, I'm going to add this corn. Now you can use fresh, which is what we're doing in season. I blanched it and took it off the cob. But you can make this in the wintertime as well. You probably use frozen corn for that. I wouldn't suggest canned products because there's a little too much salt in those. All right. So let's let that roll for a couple of minutes. Get those 2 little rascals back in there. Ah, there's another compatriot. It's going to take a couple of minutes to finish cooking. All right, this corn is about ready. I've got my batter. I'm going to add the corn to the batter. And that's in there, along with the onions and shallots. Mix this up good. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. And that melted butter that we had. Get this all stirred up nice. It'll mix a little bit as it moves around under the heat in the oven, but I like to get it fully mixed before I put it in there. Okay, so that looks pretty good here. Bring my pan over. We're not going to try and unpan this. We're going to serve it straight out of this casserole dish, so I don't have to worry too much about buttering the sides to keep it from sticking. And I like that nice little crust that builds up on the outside. So, all right, in it goes. Yeah, get every last bit of it in there. And we're ready to go in the oven. And there it is. All beautifully done. Ah, very nice. We're going to get a plate. All right, it's nice. It's not sticking. It's got a nice little crust there. Take that. This really isn't a difficult procedure, right? But it's a delightful product. Right? It's corn pudding, a beautiful Virginia corn, eggs, cream from our great dairy industry. This is a Virginia pudding. We're going to call it a corn pudding for today. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the heart of the home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.